Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional Channel. Today we discussed about using tables in Microsoft Word for organizing information. Introduction. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing tool. Hat provides numerous features to enhance document organization and readability. One of its most useful features is the ability to insert and use tables. Tables help structure data in an organized manner, making it easier to read and analyze. Whether you are creating reports, lists, schedules, or comparisons, tables in Microsoft Word can simplify complex information and improve overall document clarity. Benefits of using tables in Microsoft Word. Using tables in Microsoft Word offers several advantages, including improved readability. Tables present information in a clear and concise format, making it easier to understand. Better organization. Tables help categorize and structure content logically. Enhanced data comparison. Side-by-side data presentation allows for quick comparisons. Time efficiency. With predefined structures, you can quickly arrange data without extensive formatting. Professional appearance. Well-designed tables add a polished look to documents. How to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Creating a table in Microsoft Word is straightforward. Follow these steps to insert a table. Open Microsoft Word, launch the application and open a new or existing document. Navigate to the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Select Table. Click on the Table option to see a grid. Choose the table size. Hover over the grid to select the desired number of rows and columns. Then click to insert the table. Customize the table. Adjust the size, alignment, borders, and shading using the Table Design and Layout tabs. Formatting and customizing tables. Once you have inserted a table, Microsoft Word provides various formatting tools to enhance its appearance and usability. 1. Adjusting column width and row height. Hover over the column or row border until the resize handle appears. Drag the border to increase or decrease the size. Use auto-fit options under the Layout tab to adjust table dimensions automatically. 2. Merging and splitting cells. To merge cells, select the cells, go to the Layout tab, and click Merge Cells. To split cells, click a cell, then select Split Cells and specify the number of divisions. 3. Applying table styles. Use the Table Design tab to select predefined styles, modify table colors, borders, and shading for a personalized look. 4. Adding and deleting rows or columns. To add a row or column, right-click on an existing cell and choose Insert Options. To delete a row or column, right-click and select Delete. Using tables for different purposes. Tables in Microsoft Word serve various purposes depending on the type of document you are creating. 1. Reports and data presentation. Summarize statistics, financial data, or survey results. Use header rows for clear labeling. 2. Schedules and timelines. Create meeting agendas, work schedules, or project timelines. Use bold text or shading to highlight key dates. 3. Lists and comparisons. Compare product features, pricing, or services. Structure pros and cons in separate columns. 4. Forms and checklists. Design forms for data entry, feedback collection, or surveys. Add checkboxes for interactive lists. Advanced table features. For more sophisticated table functions, Microsoft Word includes advanced features. 1. Sorting data. Select the table. Go to the Layout tab and click Sort. Choose ascending or descending order for text or numerical data. 2. Calculations. In tables, use basic formulas like sum, average, or count in table cells. Click inside a cell, go to Layout, and choose Formula. 3. Converting text to table and vice versa. Highlight text separated by commas or tabs. Go to Insert greater than table greater than convert text to table. To reverse, select the table and choose Convert to Text. Conclusion. Tables in Microsoft Word are a versatile and efficient way to organize and present information. Whether you need to manage complex data, create structured reports, or enhance document readability, mastering table functions can greatly improve your workflow. By leveraging formatting tools and advanced features, you can create professional, well-organized documents that effectively communicate your information. Start using tables today and experience the benefits of a structured approach to content management. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative videos. Thank you.